Samsung Galaxy Notebook Plus 2 laptop models launched. Samsung Notebook Plus 2 laptop models have been launched in South Korea. Models come with dedicated NVIDIA GeForce graphics cards and Intel 11th General Tiger Lake CPUs. They are offered in multiple configurations and boast of a stylish design with powerful performance. Samsung Notebook Plus 2 comes with a 15.6-inch display, NVIDIA GeForce MX 450 GPU, and two colors, Mystic Gray and Pure White. Pricing for this variant has not been shared. There is also a variant with NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti GPU and an additional blade black color option. It's priced from KRW 755,000, roughly 50,000 rupees, to 1.94 million South Korean won, roughly 1.29 lakh rupees. The laptop models will be up for pre-orders, in Korean, from the December 21st to the December 31st, with availability beginning January 1, 2021. Samsung Notebook Plus 2 specifications. It features a 15.6-inch display with upgraded RAM and storage. It can be equipped with either an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Ti GPU or an NVIDIA GeForce MX 450 GPU. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.